Are you looking for the easiest way to get a business cash advance, even though you have bad credit? Are you tired of getting turned down by the banks? Are you feeling like you have nowhere left to turn? Don't worry, you're not alone. Rest assured, there are viable programs that can get you a cash advance for your business quickly, and without all the hassle you typically get from traditional lenders. In this video, I'm going to explain what a business cash advance is, how it works, and go over the pros and cons. Make sure to watch the whole video to see if it's a good fit for your business. Before we get into it, I'd like to ask if you would please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate the support as it allows us to continue providing content to help you grow and fund your business. So, what is a business cash advance? A business cash advance is a short-term unsecured loan that provides businesses with the working capital they need to grow and succeed. This type of business funding can be used for a variety of purposes, including paying off high-interest debt or covering the cost of unexpected expenses, funding expansion projects, such as marketing campaigns or inventory purchases, pursuing new strategies and seizing strategic business opportunities. How does a business cash advance work? A business cash advance is a type of financing that allows businesses to borrow money based on their future sales. The lender provides the funds up front and the business repays the loan with a portion of their daily sales. This type of financing is often used by businesses that have difficulty qualifying for traditional loans. Business cash advances can be a good option for businesses that need cash quickly and want to avoid the long application process, typically required by banks. Depending on your cash flow and credit, you can get up to $500,000 or more in some cases. Here's a quick overview of the business cash advance process. 1. The business applies with a business cash advance lender. You will only need minimal documentation such as a simple application and 3 months bank statements. 2. The lender reviews the application and decides how much money to lend based on the business's sales volume and credit history. 3. Once qualified, the business receives the funds and uses them as they see fit. 4. The lender deducts a portion of the daily or weekly sales until the loan is repaid in full, typically within 3 to 9 months. Do I qualify for a business cash advance? It is much easier to qualify for a business cash advance than it is for a bank loan, which is the main reason business owners opt for this type of funding. Generally, the minimum revenue deposit required is $10,000 per month, and time in business should be at least 3 months. Bad credit is not a major factor, although it is a factor that will determine your ultimate rates. The minimum FICO should be at least 500, but there are some MCA programs that have no minimum FICO score for businesses with strong consistent revenue and time in business. What are the pros of a business cash advance? There are many benefits for businesses to getting business cash advances. Perhaps one of the biggest benefits include fast access to cash. You can usually get the money within a couple of days after applying. Another great benefit of business cash advances is that you don't have to worry about restrictive conditions in how you use the money. With a bank loan, for example, there may be stipulations about what the money can be used for. But with this type of funding, your business can use it for whatever purposes you want to. Next, there's a relatively easy approval process. If you're looking for a simple and quick way to get business funding, a business cash advance is probably a good way to go. In fact, you can usually have your application approved in as little as 24 hours, depending on the company that provides the cash advance. Another great benefit is that a business cash advance does not require strong credit in order to be approved. In other words, bad credit is not a major deciding factor. This makes it a great option for businesses that may have struggled with their credit in the past, or are just starting out and haven't established a great credit history yet. Finally, business cash advances don't require any collateral in order to get approved. This means you can focus on growing your business and building up your profits without having to worry about putting up any assets as collateral. What are the cons of a business cash advance? The biggest downside of business cash advances is that they can be expensive compared to other financing options. If you're considering a business cash advance, it's important to be aware that you will not be paying traditional bank rates. If you don't qualify for any other financing because you have bad credit, then it may be your best option. Much like any type of business financing, you should have a plan for how it will increase revenue more than the cost. Also, keep in mind that a business cash advance is only one of many alternative business funding options available for anyone that has been turned down by the bank. Make sure to check out other videos on our channel to learn about all our funding programs, or contact us using the link in the description. If you want to see how much you qualify for, click on the link below and submit our simple online application. Get started today and discover how easy it is to get the working capital your business needs with a business cash advance. Call 877-235-0672 or visit us at firstchoicebusinesscapital.com.